Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use voice typing. This will be a really useful tool when we're doing remote learning because sometimes it's hard if you don't know how to spell something or you're not sure how to write something. It can be hard to do without help. So this is a tool that you can use anytime that you have to write something on Schoology. So right now I'm going to show you an example. I'm in the math discussion from today. And it's a which one doesn't belong. So I'm going to use that speak tool that we all learned about to listen to this question.
Look at the picture. Which box do you think does not belong? Explain your thinking.
Okay, all right, so now I'm going to say box C doesn't belong because it's a triangle. So remember, I can copy and paste my sentence starter, maybe. We'll see if it lets me. Okay, so I'm going to copy the sentence starter. I'm going to go up to the discussion and click the plus sign. I'm going to paste the sentence starter. And now I need to fill in the blanks. So I said, I think box C does not belong because, and now I don't know how to spell triangle. So I am going to use on my keyboard the microphone icon. And it says, I think box C does not belong because it is a triangle and the others are not triangles, period. So you saw how I was able to finish the sentence by speaking, and I even said period at the end and it put a period in for me. It's pretty cool. So this is a great tool to use whenever you need to respond to something in writing if you're not sure how to spell something.